Good evening, Sharks. Dental care is an important factor in a human's life. But this whole industry is cluttered with chemical based and less effective products. So, Sharks, today me and my co founder Sambhav Jain and Mridul Sharma are proudly introducing you to Dent Assure, a revolutionary concept in the industry of oral care. Imagine a world where oral care isn't just a concern, but a guaranteed assurance. So, with Dent Assure, this vision becomes reality.
Our product is designed. Our product is designed to give. Our product is designed to give a peace of mind and confidence in every smile. Those days are gone where people were worried about unexpected dental expenses and postponing crucial treatments. With unique blending by of natural ingredients and cutting edge technology, our company aims to provide to customers better health results in their oral health and not wasting resources on useless factors.
Our product is used to provide good and effective oral care to the every parts of the country, and the common roots, the every roots of the India, we used to provide our dental assure product. Um, that's why our aim is to provide affordable oral care to the whole India, and we can proudly say that our products is 100% made in India, and our vision is to become world's number one oral care brand. And we also add subsequent value to our Indian economy.
So, Sharks, I know you are wondering what's so new in just this toothpaste. It is available in many brands in the market, but Sharks, all the other brands which are marketing their product on the name of Ayurveda are just chemicals and people are using as a health supplement. But Sharks, our products are totally natural. We have three variants. First is the whitening, which whitens our teeth, which always gives a good impression. And second one is Gano toothpaste, which is enriched with Ganoderma mushrooms, which are very helpful for the cleaning of our teeth. So, Sharks, come with us on our journey to unveil the future of dental care.
Sharks, we are offering 1% of our equity for 1 lakh rupees.
Fine. Can I see that?
Sir.
Can you say something?
Yes, sir. So, give your teeth a cure with Dent Assure.
People are making me confused today. I mean,
Can I ask Aditya what is the price in your toothpaste?
What are you asking? The customer price or the distributor price? It's 140.
140.
Yes, ma'am.
Then why should I buy yours?
Because it's
It's high for the middle class people, like I will assure you that.
yeah, I know it's quite expensive.
Expensive for me as well.
Yes, ma'am. Because
Why should I choose Dent Assure than any other product?
as we are totally made in India, so we source our all raw material from Indian states only. So we are using natural ingredients which we source from Assam, Telangana, and some from Jammu Kashmir also. So which costs us high. So therefore it's expensive.
What is the main motive of this trial? Is it to make money or to spread awareness about this Dent Assure product?
As we are a business, so our first motive was
To make money,
money.
right?
Yes,
Then
but we also trying to dominate the oral care industry with natural products over than the chemical based.
okay.
fine. My question to you guys. Can I have a look at this?
Yes, sir, please.
That's good. And your packing is quite good. So, I mean, how many toothpaste have you sold till date? Approximately.
Approximately, I have sold many thousands of pieces.
How many thousands of pieces?
It's not a accurate value.
Sir, around 4 to 5,000.
4 to 5,000. You just this is a very new startup, I guess.
Yes, sir.
So the packing is quite good. This is quite lucrative. It says gently polishes teeth. So gently polishes teeth. How can it be gently polished teeth? It's up to the toothbrush now. Toothpaste never polishes gently. It's the toothbrush that does it. So how does the toothpaste gently polishes
Sir,
teeth?
because toothpaste is like a lubricant acting on the brush.
Kind of lubricant. That is very nice. Natural whiteness, cool mint flavor. Does it contain any sugar? Otherwise, we have some offers
Sir,
from sugar free. Logo mocha. So new drink offers. Tasty, very tasty. So that's quite nice. Dent assure. And let me tell you one thing. You guys do look like Olympians. And God willing, you never know. Some 10 years from now on, you people be some running some nice industry in India. It looks like. I mean, you mean some business for it. You do look very good, three of you. And I'm very, very happy with your presentation. I'm extremely surprised the way you have turned out. Thank you so much and best of luck for your future.
Thank you, Sharks. Thank you.